Hello and welcome to this quick video. This quick video here is about the differences between something called MSP, which in the ports tab of something like Betaflight, iNav or other flight control software, you'll see lots and lots of times. We can actually set MSP for any one of these UARTs, and something called MSP Displayport, which is over here on the right hand side in peripherals in this iNav configuration. Now this is a great question from this chap here, Asher. Asher, thank you for asking this, because I'm sure lots of other people who haven't been in the hobby for a very long time probably struggle with it too. So let me give you the short answer, and then we can get into a little bit more detail if you're interested in knowing a little bit more of the history about why we have these two different things and where things like MSP and stuff come from. So MSP is a telemetry that has been around for a very long time. When you're talking to this quadcopter here over a USB cable, you're actually talking to it using MSP. MSP stands for MultiWii Serial Protocol. Why it's called that, I can get into a minute, but MSP has been the generic default protocol that an awful lot of flight control software that we use in the modern hobby uses as one of the standard core pieces of how it talks to equipment. That's because MSP has been around pretty much as long as the hobby, and it's a great serial protocol. Binary message-based protocol used for those kind of communications. However, when MSP was invented, and we used to use MSP back in the day to actually populate analog on-screen display boards when they used to be a separate thing from the flight controller, very, very long time ago. When HDFPV came along, MSP couldn't quite cut it. It needed to be adapted, enhanced slightly to be able to draw on HDFPV systems, and that's the version that's called MSP Displayport, sometimes called MSP plus Displayport, sometimes written like this, and this is the setting that we use, the telemetry protocol that we use to talk to all different kinds of flight controller HDFPV stuff. Things like walk snail, things like HD0, things like some of the DJI equipment as well. So this MSP Displayport, the short answer is used for flight control HD FPV conversations. MSP over here is used for pretty much everything else, including for your laptop talking to your flight controller over a USB cable. So now we've done the very short version, let's get a little bit more into the weeds. What is MSP? What is MultiWii? So if you are relatively new to the hobby, you might not be aware that one of the very first flight controllers that was ever created for the hobby was called a MultiWii. Sounds like a really odd name. The reason is because what it was an Arduino PC, essentially a single board PC in the Arduino style, connected to the sensors that you got out of a Nintendo Wii controller. That was a 3-axis gyro and a 3-axis accelerometer, and those two things together gave you a very rudimentary flight controller. That's where lots of the things that we use for these days started. Now that thing was called a MultiWii because it was based on the bits and pieces out of a Wii remote control for the Nintendo system, and they needed some kind of serial protocol, so they created this as part of that project, MSP, and that's why it's called MultiWii Serial Protocol. And that's become the default for lots and lots of flight controllers, including modern iNav and Betaflight. And that's because there's a direct lineage between MultiWii, and then it became Baseflight, then it became CleanFlight, and then CleanFlight split into a couple of different projects. One was Betaflight, you've probably heard of that, and the other one was things like iNav Flight, but others like Rotorflight and other things use MSP as a core part of the architecture too. It's just the default way that you talk between different parts of the system, or if you have something like a USB port, how you talk externally to something like a computer into the configurator like this. So what's the difference then? Let's get a little bit more detail. So what is MSP Displayport? Well, MSP Displayport is an extension of that original MSP protocol that enables the flight controller to send data to compatible OSDs, typically high definition ones. And it has things like a remote text frame buffer. So the flight controller doesn't render the text directly. What it does is actually send the telemetry information along with things like its position on the screen via the MSP Displayport telemetry stream That goes into the HDFPV system, and then that HDFPV system then takes that data and then essentially uses it with the characters that it has to kind of populate the screen with the information that you've asked for. And that's the reason why we can have things like custom fonts in Walksnail, because you can load the custom font that you want. The MSP Displayport will tell the HDFPV Walksnail system that it wants the battery level indicator in this position, and the battery level indicator from the font file will be placed in that location in the goggles for you. And if the font is different locally, then you just use the font that you've got. Now, this means that it's compatible with devices like Walksnail, MWOSD, and other ones as well are examples of ones that MSP Displayport will work for. Be aware though, this isn't canvas mode. MSP Displayport is not the same as Betaflight's canvas mode that allows the flight controller to draw direct things like pixels and shapes onto the on-screen display directly. MSP Displayport is limited to that character-based rendering that I've just described. So those are the two differences between the two things. MSP is something that's been around with us for a very, very long time in the hobby, and by having it on here you can actually turn it on and off, because there are lots of devices that talk MSP because it's been around for such a long time. It's almost the default stuff. However, because MSP doesn't know how to do all of that character drawing stuff, because that didn't exist when MSP was created, this extension of MSP Displayport is now here that we select when we have something like a HDFPV system connected onto one of the UARTs, and then we configure it here. So for this one, I've got my Walksnail system on this quad plugged into UART 1. So hopefully, Asher, that answers it for you and other people as well. That's where we get MSP from. That's how it works, and also why we also have MSP Displayport 2. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.